When you search for the best Adidas workout shoes, everything looks the same. Same styles, same claims, same colors. But to find the ones that truly deliver comfort and performance, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, XPLR Path Shoes. Let's kick things off with the Adidas Men's XPLR Path Shoes. Priced at $59, these shoes caught my eye with their sleek design and lightweight feel. If you want a pair that's breathable and comfortable for all-day wear, this is worth a serious look. The mesh upper is not just for looks, it provides breathability, keeping your feet cool during intense workouts. The Cloudfoam midsole is a standout feature, offering lightweight cushioning that makes a noticeable difference on those longer runs. Plus, the rubber outsole provides excellent grip, which is crucial if you're doing agility drills or outdoor activities. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 3,000 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate what these shoes bring to the table. Now, some people have mentioned that the sizing can be a bit tricky, specifically that they run a little small. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to try them on or check the sizing chart, this shouldn't deter you. Overall, these shoes are a fantastic option for anyone looking for style and functionality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet stylish shoe for casual wear and workouts. Skip this one if you need something specifically designed for heavy lifting, as it's more of a versatile daily sneaker. Product number 2, Women's XPLR Path Running Shoes. Next up, we have the Women's XPLR Path Running Shoes priced at $49.99. Right off the bat, the use of recycled materials in these shoes is something that really stood out to me. If you're someone who values eco-friendly choices while still wanting comfort, this is definitely worth considering. The Cloudfoam midsole provides exceptional cushioning, ensuring that your feet feel great with every step. The rubber outsole gives solid grip, whether you're hitting the pavement or the gym floor. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,700 reviews, many users love the combination of style and comfort. However, some users noted that the cushioning could feel a bit too soft for their liking, especially if you prefer a firmer feel during runs. But honestly, if you're looking for something comfortable for daily wear or light workouts, it's a small trade-off for the comfort you gain. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, stylish shoe for running or casual outings. Skip this one if you need something with maximum support for intensive training. Product number 3, Swift Run 1 Sneakers. Now let's talk about the Swift Run 1 lace-up sneakers, which you can snag for about $56. These sneakers caught my eye for their casual yet sporty vibe. If you want a shoe that melds style and comfort effortlessly, this one deserves your attention. The 100% rubber sole and lightweight EVA midsole are designed for comfort and everyday wear. The Ortho Light sock liner adds an extra layer of cushioning, which is great for those long days on your feet. Plus, they have a regular fit, but keep in mind that these run large, so sizing down is recommended. With a 4.2-star rating and over 3,500 reviews, it's clear that these shoes resonate with a lot of folks. On the downside, the sizing issue can be frustrating, especially if you're ordering online without trying them on first. But I think if you're diligent about checking the size chart, you'll be just fine. In the grand scheme of things, the comfort and style make them worth considering. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish sneaker for casual outings. Skip this one if you require a very specific fit right out of the box. Product number 4, Dropset 4 Training Sneakers. Coming in at $139.97, the Dropset 4 training sneakers are next on our list. These shoes are designed for serious athletes looking for a multifunctional option. If you need a shoe that can handle everything from heavy lifting to running, this is a strong contender. The full-length Repetitor foam midsole provides excellent energy return, which is crucial when you're pushing through those last reps. The GeoFit heel pods ensure a locked-in feel, giving you confidence during intense workouts. Plus, the Continental rubber outsole offers incredible grip, so you don't have to worry about slipping, whether you're in the gym or outside. With a 4.5-star rating from just 109 reviews, they are a hit among serious trainers. However, they are on the pricier side, and some users felt they could be a bit stiff initially. But honestly, once you break them in, the stability and support they provide during workouts are hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're serious about working out and need a shoe that performs across various activities. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for casual wear, as they're built for high performance. Product number 5, Women's Drop Set Control Training Sneakers. Finally, we have the Women's Drop Set Control Training Sneakers priced at $77. These shoes are all about stability and support, making them a great choice for weightlifting and dynamic movements. If you're focused on lifting and want a shoe that can handle those demands, this is worth checking out. With a wide fit design, these shoes accommodate natural foot splay, giving you a solid base for heavy lifts. The breathable mesh upper keeps your feet cool, while the durable rubber outsole provides excellent traction. Users have given these a 4-star rating from 131 reviews, indicating they're a solid choice for serious trainers. One downside is that they may feel too rigid for some when first worn. But here's the thing, if you're lifting heavy, that rigidity can actually provide the stability you need, which is more beneficial than a little discomfort at the start. This is perfect for you if you prioritize stability during weightlifting sessions. Skip this one if you need a shoe for running or casual wear, as they're built for gym performance. So to wrap it up, the XBLR Path shoes offer great style and comfort on a budget. The women's XBLR is eco-friendly and lightweight. The Swift Run 1 sneakers blend casual and sporty. The Drop Set 4 is a powerhouse for serious workouts, and the women's Drop Set Control focuses on stability during lifting. Each one has its target audience, so think about what fits your needs best.